Okay, it's spitting rain here. It's a wet, soggy day. Found another Precision. This is the last, I believe, of this style of Precisions, or the last model. It's a different sort of framework than the other ones I have. This one's an actual bar, like a normal saw. It's got the helper handle, short bar. Don't know if this is going to turn out. Here's the VIN tag. Precision, made in Montreal, Canada. Picked up last week. Nice old saw. Turn it around here. Your carburetor, your breather. All these old Precision bars, funny how they've been laminated on all the spot welds. I see a lot of these helper handles turned up the other way, and this piece is pointing up here. I believe that's the correct way, because if you have it the other way around, this bar drops down. Anyway, can't do too much today, got no hydro. Cut spark on this a few minutes ago. Got to fire up. So anyway, let's see if we can set this right here. And let's see if we can get her to start up again. Check the compression. Take the choke off. There you go, I had to use a choke to shut it off. There's no kill switch on it. I imagine there would have been. The other ones that I got are older. Hopefully there's no water on the lens and this turns out. Anyway, that's my old Precision I picked up. I picked up a few other things. I picked up a Maytag Twin. Anyway, just a quick video. These are kind of rare to have a normal bar scratcher chain. Maybe I'll make a video soon of cutting with it. Anyway, take care, hope you enjoy it.